What's up guys, Moto Flight Guy here. Welcome back to the channel. Finally gonna take a trip on the Versys this year. It's ridiculous, I haven't been riding it all this year, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna head down to St. Louis, pick up Jared, and then we're gonna go over to rural Missouri and watch some rally racing again. It's kind of become a tradition for us, so stay tuned and follow along. Alright, I made it to Jared's. What's happening, dude?
Look at this old barn find. Pulled this out of the basement, fired up the first time.
I know, I feel the same way about mine. It hasn't been ridden all year pretty much.
It looks good though. This thing's it's got about a foot of dust on it, but it runs. If I can horse this on here, you know how this always goes. Hell yeah. This right one's always fun.
Come on, Rocky Mountain. Make your tusk paint air mounts better.
I know. There we go. Come on now. There we go. It's not going anywhere.
Okay, so we got to go out of St. Louis and go southwest.
Yeah.
Down here, it's about showing an hour and 45-minute ride. We're headed to the Hazel Creek campground out here, which is a free campground in the Mark Twain National Forest. So should be a sweet ride. Probably closer to 2-hour ride, but the temperature's beautiful. So we're getting ready to roll out. All right, so we made it. Here we are at Hazel Creek.
Yeah.
We almost kind of aborted this campground because we didn't realize there was more sites farther back. So we got the place to ourselves back here in the back. Pretty sweet. We're gonna set up camp and go find something to eat now. Pretty good ride on the way here, but as usual, I think Jared found the most water. So, yeah, we're gonna get camp set up. All right, so what's the plan? What do you want to do?
So we're gonna go scavenge for firewood in town, which you wouldn't think you'd have to scavenge for in a camping town like Potosi, but last time we were down here we had zero luck. So hopefully we have a fire. I think we're like over the last 3 or 4, right?
Not good.
I mean, I would say what the last fire we had was like 3 rallies ago.
Yeah, we suck at getting resources to make a fire. I can tell you that. It ain't very good. We're gonna run in town, get something to eat.
It didn't used to be this surface, did it? I feel like this is kind of a more finer, compacted surface than it used to be. Do you want to eat or do you want to try and find wood?
I can't believe it. Can you?
I mean, I've had a lot of fun on the rallies that we've gone on, but this is probably the happiest moment that I've had so far. That is.
Look at that. A pallet of firewood for sale. Yeah.
You think it wouldn't be that hard, but there she is.
I mean, we pretty much thought that we were crazy at this point because we thought that our hometown was the only town on earth that sold firewood to people. But lo and behold, the old Dickie Bub store in Potosi's got a whole pallet full. So we're gonna load that up so we can actually have a campfire tonight, and then we're gonna go eat. 2 bundles of fresh, dry firewood. That's a glorious sight, isn't it? It was
Yeah.
ridiculous because little Dickie Bub store didn't even know they had it for sale out here. It took them forever to figure out how to charge us for it, but I'm just happy that we got some for you.
Yeah, I don't know if this is a KLR or a tractor.
What'd you think?
Hub's Pub and Grub. A++ again.
We're headed to the store and back to camp.
Well, I'd say we got about 210 to 220 pounds of wood on the back of this thing.
He made it.
At least it felt like it.
How tight did you have them straps, bud?
Way past max capacity. Woo! There it is.
The mother load.
Okay.
Made it back to camp. Had a good dinner. And we got a fire going, which is first time in a long time. Good dry wood, good fire. Forgot my video light, but I rigged up a headlamp. So this is what you get. We're gonna chill out by the fire and we'll see you guys tomorrow for some rally action.
This is some hardcore shit.